Back again with Jordy's E36.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
We're gonna make the mirrors black so they blend in better with the headliner. And then I wanna take the diffuser from the underneath bumper and put it on the outside bumper. Because if anyone knows, this is just the bumper cut in two and self-tapered on to make it look lower, but it's not lower.
And I have to go to the bathroom, so BRB.
All right, YouTube world, we are back here. Basically gonna take off these and the mirror and yeah, take it off. Literally do what we did 2 videos ago again, because I should have painted these then. Black ones are really, really hard to find. And if you do find them, people want crazy amounts of money for them for no reason, because half the time you don't even use them. We're gonna give it the, all right, got it off quick. Mirror in the clip. Now let's go prep. Spoon said gray pad, scuff, clean them, and then he gave me this stuff. I don't really know what it is, but he said it's adhesion promoter, and then he said use vinyl and fabric. So we got vinyl and fabric. All right. I went to the store, so it's just me again. We taped up the connectors, scuffed them all, cleaned them with a little glass cleaner. Now we're doing the old put them on the stand. We got our adhesion promoter stuff. Don't really know. I'm gonna do like 2 coats of it, and then yeah.
3 hours later.
The adhesion promoter, I believe that's what it's called. It's all dry. Now we're gonna start spraying our vinyl and fabric and hope it looks good. It's probably gonna look like shit. All I can do is hope for the best.
Meanwhile,
Instead of watching paint dry.
That I've been doing for 40 minutes because I'm an idiot.
But I'm back, so it's okay. It's downpouring, by the way, guys.
See?
Yeah, I see.
The one in the middle held it up so it doesn't fall.
The rain is really loud. You need a KBD kit.
Yeah. I don't know how it comes off though, so we gotta figure that out.
So Jordy saw that there's push clips in there. You got it.
You got it.
Don't know why I came in this club with you, girl. Don't know why. I said, ooh, babe, I love you. You my everything.
You want this piece there, so then you know it looks like low and full, but the goddamn exhaust is in the way.
I'll just pull it down.
You can't. If this don't move, it's gotta go down a whole inch. There's certain things you just can't force, and this is one of them. Time to put them back in.
And they're both in.
Diffuser, staying how it is. I'm not cutting, welding, dropping an exhaust loader. All that. I would just rather not have it. So I'm gonna keep not having it. I don't really care.
Womp womp.
Simple car things.
Time to put on the most important piece. If you don't know, well, you guys probably don't know. I don't know if this is just a tradition that me and my mom do.
100% is.
It's lucky to always have an extra $1 tied around your mirror. I've done this in every car I've owned, so when Jordy and I got together, of course I had to give him one. Well, the Miata doesn't have one because I don't have mirrors in the Miata. You just tie it in a bow.
Yeah, not rip the dollar.
It doesn't rip. That's why you fold it, so it's sturdy.
Black is better. The gray was so ugly. This needs to go next, but it's a giant sticker and it's really sticky, so I don't know the best way to get it off, but we'll figure it out.
Heat gun, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, we'll figure it out. I'm hoping the rain calms down just a bit because it's a donut day. Is it donut day?
If anything, we'll go to
Time to go driving.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
That was good.
I did it! Oh my god! Woo.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You see how it feels completely different? Yeah.
Oh my god. Was it really good? I want to see it back.
Let her eat. Don't worry about me. Hey, and if you want to go less angle, turn in. It'll tighten your circle. Okay? Yeah, see, now you're realizing like, oh, too much, a little bit too little. Try it from a little bit of a start now, because now you know what it's supposed to feel like. That was good. Do that again, just stop letting off. You gotta be higher in the revs. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Yeah! The first half was great. First half was really good.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm cheesing big time because I actually drifted or did a donut, whatever the fuck that was.
Whatever you want to call it.
Whatever you want to call it, but I slid.
I did a circle.
I did a circle. But I'm gonna end it on this note. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time.